Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Harbor Freight after Christmas sale. So let's dive in. So to get us started, we're going to check out some of these deals going on right here. We have some of these TIG gloves from Vulcan right there. Different setups for those. Pretty good prices. We also have some Hardy gloves here. Some good deals on that. Got some safety glasses. I'll show you the price on those in just a second. We have some Quinn socket sets, different ones, whichever ones you might need right there. Jupiter, we have their little inverter. See that one. And then we also have these organizer sets. They're priced right around 10 bucks. So again, looks good. I like the red and black as well. A little biased for University of Georgia. Then we got, a couple different just Hallmaster options there. We got the Merlin rubber air hose. I'll show you that price. I'll also show you the Inside Track Club prices for some of these throughout the store as well in just a moment. Then here are some more wheel chocks. And then also a little general purpose set for Pittsburgh, 33 bucks. Quinn also has their accessory set right here for $25. And also the high vis socket set for 66 piece for 50 bucks. And then Jupiter 2000 watt, the bigger option right there, inverter for $219. Safety glasses were $2 in case you're wondering about those. Then we also have the Hercules surface grinding dust shroud here for 30 bucks. Some of these items were picked over at my store, which is good. A little detail brush set, $250. Good options on these. I think we saw this set already earlier right over there. And then we have the spray gun for Central Pneumatic, 23 bucks. We saw this just a second ago, but 12 bucks on the rubber air hose for pneumatic tools or anything you might need. A little tarp here for 15 bucks, and also that impact wrench for Bauer down to $60 right there. So heavy duty option for Bauer. We also have the Thunderbolt solar trickle charger. So if you need one of those, you can check that out. Soldering iron, $3. Never used one of those, but $3, pretty good price on that one. Then we have a bunch of smaller items. We have the Warrior blades here for $8. Pittsburgh wire stripper, $3. There also, we have some masks right here, so you can check those out. But the top one is a Pittsburgh tool that's not actually there, so they just put those masks there by accident because they're supposed to be $1, as you can see right here. But more items right there for Pittsburgh, and then also Warrior, so whichever one of those you might need, check them out. Got some more Bauer discs, little sanding disc, 5-inch options. They have the batteries right here. They have a ton of them on sale. I'll show you guys the bigger setup right there in just a second. Needle nose pliers, little clamps. I also have this like tote bag here for 80 cents for Harbor Freight. So if you need to carry some tools or something like that in, or if you want to carry a bag. More organizer bins. A lot of organizing options right now on sale at different stores. Warrior belt sander, 25 bucks. Also Drill Master fixed based router, $45. And then I really like this deal right here, one of my favorite deals, 55 bucks for this little mini little small pruning saw chainsaw option. I use mine all the time, really like it. But those are the deals going on right now for the after Christmas sale. We'll show you a few more kind of throughout the store. Right now at the blue tags, these are Inside Track Club members only. So if you guys are Inside Track Club, I think it costs 30 bucks. You can go up front and get a part of that. You get different random deals throughout the year. I do just want to show y'all some of these deals going on. You can see some of these plier sets and other items, other tools like that. But I'll also show you some clearance items going on throughout the store as well. So you can check out the after Christmas sale, what's on sale here for Inside Track Club, and then also some clearance items. But like I mentioned, here's more storage for the shelf rack, and then also the 40 bin organizer as well. This right here is on clearance, earthquake right angle impact wrench there. Another tool here from Chief. Check that one out. Inside Track Club air hammer here, 15 bucks. Then another Chief deal for Inside Track Club, 60 bucks there. Baxter 6-inch air sander down to 80 bucks. Save 20 bucks on that. Banks framing nailer also gets saved on this one, down to $80. Another after Christmas sale, the Fortress air compressor. See, this one is on sale, but it has been picked over in my store. So if you need one of those, you can definitely check that out still. Badlands winch, 70 bucks here for the 2,500 pound utility winch. They also have the cable winch puller, $19 for Inside Track Club members. Bunch of lights here, bunch of different deals on these, so you can see some significant discounts on a lot of these. So if you need any of those, check them out. Also want to let you guys know, I will have links for some of these items down below, so if you're interested, you can check them out down there. Also, let me know if you guys have grabbed anything from the after Christmas sale, or if you grabbed something from the Christmas sale. I'd love to know that as well. And if this video is helpful, feel free to like and subscribe so that you never miss another deal. A little chain here, wet dry vac from Bauer, 65 bucks, really good price on that one. So here's another set of Merlin hoses. You see this one is 35 bucks. Also more extension cords here, 35 bucks for this one as well. Also Inside Track. We have the wall mount. This is one of the easiest wall mounts here. Also 10 bucks for this. I mean, you can see it does only go up to this 42 inch, but still a great deal with that one. Then you can see all the batteries. Great thing, because if you have kids, you probably have items that need batteries all over your house right now. More work lights, 60 bucks here for Braun. Also great to grab some super glue, fixing a little bit of DIY stuff around the house. 9 or 10 bucks here for some of these lug nuts removers. Great thing to keep in your truck. Also, we have $2.90 here for Daytona Professional Hydraulic Body Repair Kit. Check that one. Tactical ammo box, 9 bucks. Great thing to check out there. More Pittsburgh tools. You see some of these are the extended ratchet sets there and socket sets. Right here, Quinn has their impact socket sets, 40 bucks. And then Icon has a lot of their ratchets down on sale, again, for Inside Track Club members. We had the stubby ones, also some of the regular ones as well here. So a bunch of different setups for these, just kind of depending on what you want. But they had a ton of them on sale as well. So it wasn't just one little row, it was a bunch of different rows, and even another set on top of that. More Pittsburgh wrenches here, little adjustable wrenches, 6 bucks. Combination wrench set, 15 or 16 bucks there. And also in other sets, depending on which one you might be interested in here. They had the crow's foot wrench set, 50 bucks. Good deals on those right there. And then they also had the Bauer like toolbox, rolling toolbox for 65 bucks. This is just like the bottom part, but it's on clearance right now. That's a great deal for one of those. Pittsburgh, we have some of their screwdriver sets. Also have these little pipe cutters here, 7 bucks or 6 bucks. Great to have one of those. And then another one here, the Swedish pattern pipe wrench. They did have some of their helmets for welding. See some of those right there, and another welding helmet here for 38 bucks. For Chicago Electric, had the torch. Need one of those, you can grab one for 17. Again, small little torch for the propane there. Welding kit here. They also have the Bauer angle grinder, 25 bucks, and then Hercules has theirs as well for right at 48. So again, Hercules is a little bit better brand than Bauer, but Bauer's still a great option. They have this cutoff tool, and they also had the circular saw on clearance as well. Warrior also has their palm sander down to 10 bucks for Inside Track Club members there. Then we also see Bauer has theirs down to 20 bucks. And again, a little bit better deal for that one. Highly recommend that one. We also have the Viking battery charger here for $180. Great thing for that one. And then also we have some just cables here for $19.99. But overall, I think there's some good deals going on right now at the after Christmas sale. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. I'll have some links down below if you're interested. Also, check out another video right here, and I'll see you in the next one.